The ability of optical fibre networks to meet the world's connectivity demands has never been under more scrutiny than right now, with 5G, IoT, artificial intelligence and a whole lot more besides just around the corner. Fibre is critical to all the stakeholders in the industry, and so Fibre Systems has been attending the NGMN Annual Conference and Exhibition in Vancouver this week, talking to some of the leading industry delegates about the role of fibre going forward.
Transport is essential for the 5G future. It enables 5G consumer experience as well as expansion into new use cases. We at Nokia have taken the lead. We have created fully programmable transport fabric. We call it 5G Anyhow. It's part of the Nokia Future X architecture. And what is 5G Anyhow about? It's a unifying architecture, unifying technologies, including fiber and fiber technologies. And fiber technologies are particularly relevant for 5G. Why? Because one, they enable massive throughput of data, high data volumes, and secondly, they are so very relevant in conjunction with distributed cloud and cloud RAN, cloud radio access networks, distributed radio network functions.
Fiber optics will be fundamental piece of 5G success. They're the backbone. Sometimes you can be tempted to think that the wireless will make everything by its own. Sometimes we forget that every time we have a great wireless technology, we have 50 meters away fiber points. So I expect a great growth of fiber and increasing relevance of fiber optic technology.
We believe an extensive fibre network, deep fibre, is critical to the successful deployment and operation of a 5G network. We've been deploying fibre for over 5 years now across our operating footprint, and we're well positioned to place antennas that will require fibre connectivity to really get that valuable spectrum effectively utilised so that we can download that high volume traffic onto the fixed network as efficiently as possible.
At Palo Alto Networks, we believe that with the advent of 5G and the move to 5G, the sheer number of devices, in particular billions and possibly tens of billions of IoT devices coming onto the network, applications and content moving onto the network, is going to drive the need for fiber optic networks to really scale up at orders of magnitude to deal with that new load.
Fiber networks are very important to secure a good backhaul, but we also know that there is microwave technology that is evolving like 5G. So I think there will be an evolution of multiple technologies to secure backhaul.
It plays a central role. It is not another thing, but it is part of the picture, the fiber plus the wireless. First of all, a strong fiber presence provides all the possibilities for connectivity. And increasingly in the future, we need a lot of new trends and standards in optical networks for transport and otherwise. And television is a prime example of this for X-casting going to the next decade. How do we provide that interactive, mobile, follow the user kind of broadcast, multicast system on all devices, all user devices? Very important, central.